There are more than 112 million renters in the United States right now. That's over a third of the population. Let's face it, for some people, renting does make a lot of sense. Maybe you're not ready for homeownership just yet. Being a homeowner can build equity and wealth much faster. Did you know the median net worth of a homeowner is 44 times greater than the median net worth of a renter? Being a homeowner also provides a fantastic way to build credit by reporting your mortgage payments each month to the credit bureaus. Your landlord does not report your on-time monthly payments to the credit bureaus, so your credit score does not increase. Until now, My Credit System is here to help, and this is how it works. You continue to pay your rent payments to your landlord in the normal way. Nothing changes, except your on-time rent payments are now reported each month to selected credit bureaus to help boost your credit profile and increase that credit score. Looking for a game changer? Let's report the past 2 years of your rent payments, providing an immediate boost to your credit score. Your higher credit score will open many new doors. Maybe that means qualifying for a lower interest rate on a credit card, buying a car with a great monthly payment, qualifying for lower insurance premiums. How about becoming a homeowner? All this is possible with a great credit score. Enroll in rent reporting today with My Credit System.